Gosh, look at this. These guys are using crabs for bait. Crabs for bait?
No.
And what kind of fish are these?
Rockfish.
Rockfish, wow. And he's cleaning them. And you catch them with the crabs?
No.
Oh, maybe you're keeping the crabs as well. Oh, you're using that bait.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wow. Very beautiful. Thank you for showing me. This will be seen in Peru and in Puerto Rico.
Peru?
Peru, the country of Peru in South America.
Oh.
And Puerto Rico, and then all across the mainland. And China. Actually, I have a friend in China as well.
Last 5 years, we had somebody come in here for help us in the hotel.
Oh.
They came from Peru.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, guys.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna walk out to this point here.